Welcome to another video in the VidSnippets support series. In this video, we'll go over how to implement our HTML interface. For those of you who have either a straight HTML website, perhaps a PHP website, or other content managers that allow for HTML to be inserted directly into pages, you can take our HTML implementation and apply it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take for granted that you've already created a VidSnippet package. You've already reviewed and approved this package, and you've already created some presentation objects that are ready to be published to your website. So from here, we're going to head to the presentation page, and we're going to click on any one of the info buttons here. All right, at the top, we have the WordPress specific information. At the bottom, we have our HTML specific information. So we have a link to our video, and down below here, we have our snippet of code. This code just needs to be copied and pasted into any static HTML site. Of course, we do have our little warning at the top here that please create a CNAME for your DNS so that because we use iframes, there won't be any cross-domain security issues. So you should create a vidsnippets.yourdomain.com that points to our web.vidsnippets.com. We do have another video that shows you a little bit about some of the providers such as Google and that, how to do it. Also, you can get in touch with us and we can help you walk through and deal with your provider to get that CNAME created for you. What we're going to do for this particular video is we're going to show you this. We're going to actually insert this particular style of thing into a WordPress page. So this could be Joomla, it could be any other type of content manager. All right, so let's go into our little page we have here. Here's one of our existing galleries on our website. All right. And let's add some content here. All right. Now, here is actually a Joomla page using our HTML. And it also uses tables to reorganize where they show up on the page. So we're going to edit this particular page. All right, so here we go. So what we've done is we've gone to the text tab in relation to visual. So if you're on the visual tab, you're going to actually see your visual layout of your page, your WYSIWYG editor. So for this example, we're going to have to go in and actually put HTML in. If you pasted HTML into this page, it would just simply come out and you would see the code on your website rather than actually see the objects. So in this case, we have a text tab and an application is Joomla. You'll have a source button to be able to go and see the source on the page and edit directly from the source. All right, so what we've created is we've created a simple table here with the first cell, and inside the first cell we've pasted our VidSnippet. This exact same code we just saw in the info button, we've pasted it here, right? And again, we've created another cell and we put the other content to the right of that. Now that your site is up and running, we've got one thing to remember. In the future, if you make changes to your presentation object, you have to remember that the iframe that here has a static size based on your current number of VidSnippet packages. Now, say you had 4 VidSnippet packages in your original presentation object. It indicates that it's going to be 3 columns wide by 2 rows. So which means you can carry anywhere from 1 to 6 objects without having to modify it. It'll take up the same space on your website. If for whatever reason you increase the number of videos beyond the size of your current iframe, you simply go back to the info. So if we go back here, say we have one here that has 9, so we go in here, you have to go back and copy the width and height information back into your website to update the iframe size so that it'll show all of your VidSnippet packages that you've selected for that presentation object. Thank you and have a great day.